This question is to compute the limit if it exists. The limit of 4 times z to the power of 5 over z to the power of 5 minus 42 times z when z approaches infinite. So first, when we look at this given function, when z approaches infinite, it seems that the numerator part and the denominator part both approach infinite. And it seems we cannot figure out the limit of this function. However, we also learned that to get the limit of a function fz when z approaches infinite, we can make it to get the limit of the function f 1 over z and to make z approaches 0. So in this question, let's try to use this method to see if we can get the limit. So first, from the original given function, we just rewrite it into the limit 4 times 1 over z to the power of 5 over 1 over z to the power of 5 minus 42 times 1 over z, and to make z approach 0. The next step, we just need to multiply z to the power of 5 to both the numerator and the denominator parts. And we have the limit of 4 over 1 minus 42 times z to the power of 4 when z approaches 0. And we can see that when z approaches 0, 42 times z to the power of 4 approaches 0. So we can just write it to 4 over 1 minus 0. So the limit exists. It is 4.